Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, and today I wanted to record this short video talking to you about concise communications. I found that during the pandemic, with everybody living on Zoom, in their email inbox, text message, phone calls, not traveling on airplanes as much less meetings, even if you are meeting people in person, that the number of digital communications has gone up. And so keeping things concise is even more important than it was 12 months ago. In short, this means trying to figure out how you can say in a paragraph what someone could say in a paragraph in a single sentence. You need to be able to do that, and it's a skill set that's grown over time. There's a saying in the copywriting world that, I'm sorry I wrote you such a long message. I didn't have more time to write something more concise. In other words, it's a form of laziness to write out a very long email versus being very thoughtful on what is the person going to care about, how I could say this more concisely, how maybe I could record a short little 3-minute video instead of sending a long email. These are all different ways that you can kind of cut through things. And whether you're an investor looking to get a response from a CEO and you're trying to buy his company or invest in his or her company, or if you're somebody who works in investor relations and you're trying to get the attention of an investor or a joint venture partner or a land title owner, having things be really dialed in where it's a sentence, sentence and a half, 2 sentences at most within most of your communications, in my experience, is going to get you the most engagement and responses. We have 138,000 people who have opted into our email list and that we are constantly communicating with. And the more that we are concise, direct to the point, and provide tangible value or use very tangible numbers, such as my 15-person team did just under $5 million in revenue last year and would like to discuss a potential investment in your company, that's the type of email that's going to get a response, because you're saying so much more than what people usually say when they write a big long paragraph of text or give way too much background than what's necessary for the request that's being made. So I hope you found this helpful. This is Richard C. Wilson of the Family Office Club. If you haven't checked out our work yet, please do by going to familyoffices.com.